the big week 3 travel blog with West and Lucy. I've left Escalante, and Lucy and I went to the Valley of the Gods and then the Canyon of the Ancients and spent a couple days in both places. The weather has been near perfect, with highs ranging from 65 to 80 and lows from 30 to 45. And now to review my internal monologue during a drive. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. You okay? Just gonna go real slow here. Okay. The edge is very, very close. Okay, any moment now this whole road is gonna collapse. Oh boy. Okay. Oh man, okay, we're almost down. Oh, okay, not steep anymore. Oh. Valley of the Gods. Magical place. There's a rock out there that's perched on top of another rock that's perched on top of a rock, and I find it very confusing. Canyons of the Ancients. What a cool spot. My camp is right there-ish, boop, but back from the hill about a quarter mile. As I travel, I've become more and more thankful for all of the amenities that are easily available. I only use a handful of apps, but there are dozens of apps out there to find public land, find campsite deals, visit parks, timeshare apps that allow you to meet up with people that are nomad friendly and stay on their property. And it's just an amazing life to lead now, because you can see so many amazing places and things. It is surreal to live this life. But I think a lot about the very first people that must have come through these areas on wagons, making progress and measured by the yard rather than the mile. And it's mind-boggling what they must have gone through. Just to cut a road through the desert, which would be easier than a forest, would have been a task that was daunting. Going down Hole in the Rock Road is a 60-mile stretch of road that is easy to... It's difficult to maintain and upkeep now, but it's easier now than it ever was in the past. Imagine pushing your wagon with a few mules through an uncharted stretch of desert in the hopes of making it to a river that would allow you to progress your journey much more simply than the slow progress of a mile a day. I drove the entire length of the Hole in the Rock Road in less than a day. It only took 4 hours. And people would have spent a month trying to make that same journey. They would have been removing rocks and switching back and forth to find the easiest trail through these fairly small canyons, respectively, but the journey would have been such a difficult one. And today we travel on paved roads, And we find the places that we're going with digital apps that connect us to the whole of humanity in a heartbeat. This is truly a good time to be alive. Enjoy your journeys, friends.